guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we'll be discussing a very sensitive topic. Do you wish to study fashion design? Do you desire to improve in your fashion design skills? Are you looking for a fashion design school to enroll in? Are you confused whether to enroll in a fashion design school or roadside shop to study fashion design? If any of these questions is yes, then this video is for you.
This is mommy.
If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe to this channel, comment and like this video. Thank you. By now, I guess you already have an insight into what today's video is all about. We'll be looking at the question, learning fashion design from a fashion school versus learning from a roadside shop. By roadside shop, I mean those tailors, fashion designer shops that you see around your streets that are not up to the professional standard of fashion schools. They may not have all the expensive equipment, but they have the necessary equipment to produce nice garments. We'll be discussing this topic based on cost, mode of teaching, and exposure. Now, cost. Obviously, it's no longer news that the fee you pay to enroll in a fashion school is higher than that of a roadside shop, with the price difference ranging from 50 to 500,000 naira and above. Yes, some fashion schools are very expensive both here in Nigeria and abroad. In a roadside shop, one is likely to become an apprentice. An apprentice is a person who works or pays small amounts of money to learn a trade or a profession from an experienced boss. So in a roadside shop, you can actually work, learn and earn from your boss. After learning for about 6 months to a year, you can qualify to work and earn from a boss depending on the agreement. Mode of teaching and learning. Fashion schools usually have a standard teaching syllabus. The syllabus stands as a contract between the school and the student. By enrolling in the course, students agree to the terms of the contract. The course calendar in the syllabus helps students to meet with their expectations by allowing them to plan on how much time they spend on each assignment. Roadside shops usually don't have a standard teaching syllabus. You learn based on what is being done at the moment. For example, if you are new and your boss is about to cut a simple skirt, you would learn at the moment as it's being done. You will learn the methods and the tricks. Drafting and cuttings are done directly on the fabric and not on a pattern paper. This mode of teaching will help you to develop street skills that will help you in working with limited tools and equipment. Exposure. In fashion school, you may have the opportunity to get involved in competitions that might win you business sponsors or direct employment in other bigger fashion industries. You may have the opportunity to work as a stylist in fashion shows. Also, going through a fashion schools can get you the skills and experience you need to apply for fashion jobs in other companies. For example, fashion photography, computer-aided designs, fashion styling, marketing, etc. There are lots of them. In a roadside shop, you gain real work experience firsthand. You will have to interface directly with customers. This gives you the opportunity to understand different customers' demands and behavior. You can easily get your first customers from here. Again, you can easily gain first-hand experience running a fashion business on a small budget. In the end, every industry has its ups and downs. So you might as well go through it with the industry that you are passionate about. To be successful in fashion industry, you have to do lots of background work on your own. Sorry to let you know that in fashion industry there are lots of competitions and no one can teach you all you need to know about fashion design. So go make your mistakes and learn. That will be all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit on the notification bell, comment and like this video because there will be more interesting content from this channel. Thank you guys, and bye bye. To see you in my next video.
This is my maid.